For this tutorial, I have hidden our image as it was too large and obstructing our view of our other content on the page. In the future, we will look at how to resize our image and manage how it's going to look. But for now, we are going to continue learning how to add content to our web page with HTML. Now today what we're going to look at is a line break. Now line breaks are useful if we want to put lines in the middle of text. For example, if we are using a poem or a song as our text. For this tutorial, I have taken a poem from the public domain and copied it for use in this tutorial. Now, I would like to put this poem in between our H3 and H4s. Let me just add a 3 and 4 so we know which ones that we are talking about. Don't forget to click Run to run your code. So I would like to put my poem between these two headings. So I need to make sure that it is inside the body because I would like it to be visible. And then inside our H3 and H4, between the two. Now we're going to start this off like a normal paragraph. First, I am going to create a paragraph element that is a P in lowercase. There are no numbers in paragraph tags. That is only for headings. Then I'm going to click Control V to paste the poem. And then I am going to close my paragraph. Now when I run it, it will display just like a paragraph. There are no breaks, even though in our HTML we have included breaks. This is because browsers don't look at text the same way we do, which is why we need to include things like these elements to tell it exactly how to display our pages. Now a break is going to tell the computer to end that line and start on the next line, like in this poem. A break is a special kind of element, just like image, and doesn't need a closing tag. There are very few elements like this in HTML, and if you are unsure, I would recommend Googling it and finding out if it needs a closing tag or not in HTML5. So a line break is an element, just like an image or a paragraph. So we need to surround it with triangle brackets. We have got an opening triangle bracket. We're going to use the letters BR for break. And we are going to complete our box around our BR so the computer knows that this is one entire element. We do not need to close a line break. We are going to put this on the following line again. Now when I run it, we should have 3 distinct lines. Now as you can see, I have skipped one, but that's just to demonstrate the difference. We have got lines 1, 2, and 3, 4. What we're going to do is add a final breath, a line break, and our poem should display correctly.